best nights of my life. You got the light that always shines. I miss the way that you move and the way I get high when you take me to your heights, like I'm standing in the sky. I see your subway cars and road graffiti. I breathe your air when I land in another city. I'll be that one that's got you printed on my bones. Yeah, you're all I know. Everywhere I go, I ain't changed it up. Always on my road, I'm still New York. You're the only that I'll ever know. My concrete walls, I'm still New York. I'm still New York. Oh, I'm still New York. Yeah. I wanna drive down Riverside, see the birds flying on the High Line. With the sidewalks burning, we pray for rain in July. I want the Yankees 99, and the Knicks on a sold-out night. When the curtains close and the Broadway streets are alive. I need your heartbeat close, don't you ever leave me. And I breathe your air when I land in another city. And I'll be that one that's got you printed on my bones. Yeah, you're all I know. Everywhere I go, I ain't changed it up. Always on my road, I'm still New York. You're the only that I'll ever know. My concrete walls, I'm still New York.
Yeah, BK born and raised, I was God sent. I used to hit them courts out in Prospect. Take them long walks on my time spent. Just a kid with that Empire State of mindset. Kick flipping off a blind deck, dipping from the New York City's finest. Yeah, said I've been up on my New York shit. Walking down the block with my New York bitch. I can never leave my city, ain't nothing like it. Even if I do though, I can never hide it. Top down on the west side when I'm driving. East side be the only side that I'm riding. I'm still New York.
I'm still New York. I'm still New York.
시계
They never change. To that night in Brooklyn, we said things we should. Bridge must have been wooden, we let it burn down. Now I don't go to Brooklyn, it's like I never had. We were falling with our feet on the ground. much like it never had. We were falling with our feet on the ground. Since I saw you, just a few texts here and there. I saw you on a beach somewhere. I think I forgot to tell you, I found that list on my phone, places in London you wanted to go. Those tourist shops around Camden Town. Take a late night ride on the underground. See the gardens and drink warm beer. I know you would die if you knew I was here. I feel so helpless and I feel so far away. If you knew where I was, I wonder what you'd say. I feel guilty and I don't know how to tell you. I saw London without you. I saw London without you. Everything here makes me miss you. I can picture us still in love, holding hands on a rooftop bus. I haven't posted any pictures, cause there's a part of me that still believes I'll bring you back to these tourist shops around Camden Town. Take a late night ride on the underground. See the gardens and drink warm beer. I would give the world, but I wish you were here. I feel so helpless and I feel so far away. If you knew where I was, I wonder what you'd say. I feel guilty and I don't know how to tell you. I saw London without you. I saw London without you. Getting worked up, yeah, I know you can't help it. I know you're thinking about the long run and what you want. You don't wanna be selfish, but the truth comes out sometimes when you're drunk too much and you got too high. I know you don't wanna wake up and then make up when you really don't mean it. I hate seeing you like this. It hurts knowing something's missing. I think you should go back to Boston and maybe go find yourself the truth is, it wouldn't make any difference, 'cause the problems are a long list. And if we started right now, you know we never get through it. But the truth comes out at night when you drunk too much and you got too high. At least I know we're being honest. Whatever love we had, we lost it. I hate seeing you like this. It hurts knowing something's missing. I think you should go back to Boston and maybe go find yourself. Talk to your friends and let them up. Tell what you want is someone else. I think you should go back to Boston, 'cause we know this ain't the same. We only lose when we play this game. And go back and lost in whatever you found in Boston. Go back and lost in whatever you found in Boston. I hate seeing you like this. It hurts knowing something's missing.